But we will decide tomorrow.
Hadian kecing syak kan thok jur halor ke Jingpyndonkam ya ke Kyrteng bat kadur Jong Myntri Rangbah gejela ukonrat ke sangma ha ke kot puli CM Impact Guidebook. Myntri ketenat puli putih urakam sangma ulaong ikitu kibam sngau sarong ya Myntri Rangbah jongki kentap no ya kadur Jong ukonrat sangma bat ban puli betek tang ya kicing thok jong ke Guidebook. Dah kebakan tu ki beriu ki ba persya ya kadur Jong ukonrat sangma bat ya Jingpyndonkam ya ke Kyrteng Myntri Rangbah ban penkela ya ke sain perkhat jengki Myntri ketenat puli putih ula ai jingmut bakin senge ban pet ya ke kot sop pen ban kidai ban puli ya kicing tho hapo kani ka kon.
Look, this is the mindset of our people. We should change this. This textbook is not to read, not to talk about cover. They should stop looking at the cover. We have designed this textbook, this document, to read the inside, the contents. So I would advise them, those who don't want to take pride in your chief minister, those opposition leaders, those people who don't want to see your honorable chief minister, get the brown paper and cover it. But please don't cover the contents.
Kading ka bashir kay kalakla